Listen up, let me tell you something for the last time, in case you're done. Let me talk to you, man, for the last time. Let me talk to you because I went, I saw, I conquered. I had a message for you. God speak to me to speak to you. Last night, God was talking to me. He said, My Highness, Your Royal Highness, His Royal Majesty, King Agugbaloa, listen, let me tell you to tell my people, for the fact that you went through, for the fact that you come out, for the fact that people trying to take what belongs to you, people trying to persecute you, people trying to fight you, people trying to bring you down, people trying to take food out of your mouth, people trying to eat what belongs to you, and you escape it, you survive it, you got breakthrough, you succeed, you came into this time. Shout! This is your time. This is your real time to God this breakthrough. Because the people couldn't break you, you're getting a breakthrough. For the fact that people couldn't break you down, you're getting this breakthrough. For the fact that your villages couldn't break you down, you got your breakthrough. For the fact that the sickness in the hospital bed couldn't break you down, you got the breakthrough. For the fact that all your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, your cousin couldn't break you down, you got a breakthrough. For the fact that those your friend, those your numerous unfriendly friends that you think they are your friends, they couldn't break you down, you got this breakthrough. For the fact that all the things that you think they could break you down, they couldn't break you down. Baby, listen up to me, Rana. You got a breakthrough. I swear to God, you got a breakthrough. For the fact that your education, time you're hustling to survive from the streets, you couldn't break you down. Baby, listen up, for the last time you got a breakthrough. For the fact that you've been in very serious pain, your friend trying to eating you, your friend trying to mixing you, your friend mocking you, your friend jizzing you, your friend taking you for granted. They take your charity for granted. You can never go down again, baby. This is your season of breakthrough. Let me tell you, go ahead right now. Go ahead. Will you listen to me? Share my video. Will you share my video? Will you tell someone to tell someone that this is Royal Highness King Jeff Agugbaloa say that the Lord speak to me last night when I woke up this morning. I see myself very healthy, very strong, very mighty. He said to me, my son, go tell my people. If they don't understand, they can read Deuteronomy 28, verse number 1. Stop at 14. Don't go more than that. You see what the Lord said to me? He said, my son, tell my people that I call by my name, if they humble themselves and pray to what you tell them, pray and ask God, I will hear from the heaven and I will heal the land. You know why the Lord want to heal the land? Because you're going through pain. Your sisters are mocking you but behind you. Your friends are mocking you but behind you. Your cousins are mocking you but behind you. Even your wife are mocking you when you have no money behind you. Let me tell you something for the last time. You need to pick up your badge. You need to pick up this, your weakness. Let them go behind you. Let you pick up this and trying to survive is not working out. Let it go behind you. Because the Lord say, for the fact that those things couldn't weigh you down last time, last month, last year, you not go no down. You not going down again. You not breaking down. What you got now is a breakthrough. What you got now is a breakthrough. Go ahead and get your breakthrough. If you're trying to get a house you couldn't get last time, go ahead and begin to rehearse how to get a house. If you're trying to get a car last time you couldn't get a car, come on baby, go start learning how to drive because you're getting your car right now. If you're trying to get your quality admission and it's not working through, baby, go to the school you want to get admission. Go ahead and go process. If you're trying to get pregnant and you're not working, go ahead and share my video and tell someone to tell someone that I'm meeting my husband today and I'm getting pregnant tomorrow. Go ahead and process this. Thus says the Lord to me to tell you. He said, through your mouth I speak to my people. No matter how radical they think you are the prophet of God. For the fire you are the king. I born out of speak. You tell my people, shout! Glorious, glorious favor upon your life. Shout! Mighty open doors, mighty breakthrough upon your life. Don't allow anyone to deceive you anymore. You got this breakthrough, baby. You got this favor, baby. Go ahead and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Follow my Instagram page, FJ the King of Gold. My YouTube channel, FJ the King. All of you already know what it is. Follow me up. Share this video. Share. Mighty love and mighty favor. God bless you. God favor you. Don't joke with this video. God bless.